Fxalexg, turn your $100 into $1,000,000. Guys, it can't get no better than this. Yesterday I made a video telling you guys I saw a head and shoulders patterns on Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and the trade is playing out exactly how I'm playing out. But before I dive into this, if you guys want to be able to copy my same exact trades automatically over to your account, hands free, I only charge a one-time fee of $500, and you'll be able to get the same exact trades copied automatically over to your account, hands free. You don't have to look at the charts. You don't have to do no technical analysis. You don't gotta know how to trade. You don't even have to know anything about forex, but you can still be able to make money in the forex market by copying my trades. And I only charge a one-time fee of $500. If you want to see results, check out my stories on Instagram. I post my results on my stories on my Instagram every single day and every single time that I place a trade. Okay, and I also share other people's results on my story, other people's results on my stories as well. That's copying my trades. So if you don't believe me, you want to see what type of results that I'm getting other people, check out my stories on Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I'm up about 1,000 plus on Euro USD, as you can see. And you might be wondering again, why are you in so many trades? Well, I'm doing my own I'm doing my own technical analysis, but I'm also using a EA, all right? But I'm using an EA semi-auto, not fully 100% automated. I do my technical analysis, and then I put the EA on the pair that I did my technical analysis on, and then the EA what the EA will do is it will only get in buys or sales, and then also every 5 minutes, since I'm in a sale right now for USD, that means every 5 minute bearish candle that closes, I will get in two trades at a time. So every 5 minute bearish candle close, I will get in two trades. The next 5 minutes, I'll get in another two trades. Now it won't get in trades if it's a bullish candle. If there's a bullish candle close, then the EA won't place another sale for me. But when there's a bearish close, the EA will get in another two trades from you. So I don't know if that makes sense, but guys, I'm using it. I'm still doing my own technical analysis, but I'm letting the EA do the work for me and scale in and basically ride in the trend. Okay. Um, yeah, you can't get no better than this. Up $1,300, as you can see. And guys, like I said, you can get these same results copied automatically over to your account. Like I said, I only charge a one-time fee of $500. You'll be able to copy these same exact trades automatically over to your account. Okay, so if you're interested in that, let me know. I'll leave my link in the description box below to my Instagram account. Like I said, I post my results, and I also post my clients' results on my stories all the time. Okay, so if you need a little bit more proof, check out my Instagram, follow me, hit that bell button, and then check out my stories. Okay, so let's go to the reason why I took this trade. Okay, so yesterday I posted a video, and I told you guys I saw a head and shoulder pattern. And by the way, this is one of Fxalexg's favorite reversal pattern, candlestick patterns. Okay, by the way, so if you pay attention to Fxalexg, you'll know that the head and shoulders pattern is his favorite reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, so what I was basically waiting for is I was waiting for a close, but really, let me see if we go to the 30 minute, right? So we had the head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hour, but what I was waiting for, I was waiting for that that candle close below the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. So I got in somewhere right around here, right? And I'm just basically riding it down. It's really not even a lot of pips, by the way. Um, if you think about it, it's only what 20 something pips, like 30 pips, but still up $1,000. So that's a good move. And also, by the way, the USD JPY pair that Fxalexg got in is doing really good for him. I think he's up like $900 or $1,000 on that move right now. So shout outs to Fxalexg on USD JPY. He definitely called this out. And by the way, the video that I posted yesterday, I told you guys this was his number two pair for the week. All right, so if you caught this USD JPY, shout out to y'all. I didn't necessarily catch it because I was focused more. I was really focusing more on NZD USD. I mean Euro USD, and I got in that trade, which we're currently up right now. So either way, if I'd have took the USD JPY trade or the Euro USD, I'd have been up $1,000. So shout outs to Fxalexg for calling this trade idea out for everybody. But guys, it can't get no simple than that. And as you can see here, um, I was looking to get into this trade. I was looking to get in this trade basically on the pullback around this area. I had a pullback around. I was kind of waiting for a price to come back up into the zone, but it didn't necessarily made it up to that zone. So I kind of missed that trade, but yeah, this is a good trade. I really wanted to get in somewhere up here. I should have got in somewhere up here. And then also, as you can see, I have a triangle pattern right here as well. Let's take a look at GU. Now, GU was supposed to be FXLG number one pair, which is doing pretty good because um, price came all the way back up here, tapped this zone here, and then dropped. So you could have called like 40 pips on this move right here. And yeah, but that was his number one pair, and then USD JPY was his number two pair for the week. All right, and then my pair that I've been calling out is Euro USD, and let's see if GBP Chef JPY. All right, as you can see, it's the GBP Chef is still going in buys. As you can see, yesterday I was in buys with GBP Chef yesterday, but it looked like it's still going up. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything coming up right now. Now tomorrow there's going to be a lot of news for the euro dollar, so I might try to stay out of trades tomorrow. Let's see. Let's see if we can show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, tomorrow there's a lot of PMI for the euro dollar. So be real careful if you're trading any pair with the euro dollar and the pound and the Canadian dollar. Okay. Also, even in the U.S. dollar, there's some data coming out. So be real careful. Tomorrow is can be real choppy or a real movie or real spiky. So make sure yeah, pay attention to that. But yeah, guys, let me see. Um, do I have anything else to say here? Um, Cat Chef is going up into one of my zones. Also, just a tip, I also like to pay attention to the dollar, and I also mark up my charts as on when it comes to the dollar as well. And if we're trading any pair with the dollar, if the dollar is going up, that means any pair that you're trading against the dollar should be going down. Okay, so right now, the dollar is bullish right now at the moment. The dollar is bullish because we're creating, we was creating some lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we came back up and created a higher high, and then we're probably going to create a lower low maybe here, and then hopefully can break the zone and create a new higher high. And then if this dollar keep on going up, if the U.S. dollar keep going up, that means the trade that I'm in currently right now is going to go in my favor. The euro is going to continue to go to the downside. So hopefully, the dollar continue to create new higher highs and higher lows. Um, so yeah, I mean, I told you guys yesterday this was going to be a good trade. Um, you know, it saw a head and shoulders pattern, a beautiful head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hour. And by the way, the head and shoulder pattern, if you see a head and shoulder pattern on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, the stronger it is. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to hold this. I mean, this it's probably gonna start pulling back, but I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. Like what I'm thinking is price is gonna pull back like this, maybe. All right, and then yeah, head back down to the downside maybe. That's what I'm thinking, but price could just continue to go down. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to continue to hold this trade and see if we can catch some more moves to the downside. Where do I want to take this? Technically, technically we are in a yeah we are in a downtrend. So I definitely want to hold this until yeah we're definitely in a downtrend on the daily. Let's check out the weekly. Now the weekly we're kind of bullish. Let me see. High, low, high, lower, low, high, what, lower, low. Oh, low, high, lower, low. Okay, lower, high, lower, low. Okay. So technically on the weekly we are bullish because we're creating, a higher high. So basically we created a higher high here, created a higher low here, and then we created a new higher high. And we just got to pay attention to that as well on the weekly. But on a daily, we're definitely bearish, and then on the 4 hour, we're definitely bearish. So I'm gonna continue to go with the two time frames, the 4 hour and the daily, going in that direction. But I gotta also be mindful of the weekly because the weekly is still bullish. Okay, so if I go to the 30 minute or the 15 minute and I start seeing a lot of bullish movement, I might just go ahead and close the trade short, and take the profits that I'm currently in. So, but yeah, I'm really liking that trade. I'm really liking that move. My next move, I don't know. Um, if later on tonight on London session, if price can come back up into the zone, I might take it. I might if price can come back up here, I might take it. I don't know. Um, for USD JPY. When it comes to GBP JPY, it's currently at one of my area of interest. CAD JPY, GBP odd. Um, yeah, I don't see anything right now at the moment when it comes to looking for a new opportunity. Um, yeah, I don't see anything. Odd CAD, what Odd CAD is doing. So like Odd CAD is definitely bearish at the moment. Check out the weekly. Um, higher high, higher low. Yeah, kind of technically, we are bullish on the weekly when it comes to odd cat. So if I see right now is at my price is right price is at my 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I don't know if you guys can see that, but price is kind of a little bit rejecting that area. Um, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This area right here is kind of rejecting. That's my this right here. The where it's at right now is rejecting the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So if it rejects that, then that mean what I might do is I might break it down to the 30 minute, and once I can see a shift of structure, what I'll do is I might take a buy position to see if I can ride it up from there. But if you look at the daily, we're bearish. All right, we're definitely bearish. And then because we was creating higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we broke this and created a lower low. So we're definitely bearish on the daily, and in 4 hour we're definitely bearish. So, but of course, the daily and the 4 hour have to go bearish, right, to get to the area of interest for the weekly. And in this case, the area of interest for the weekly is this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, if I even bring this here, um, I can even make a little zone in this area right here as well, between the daily, between the weekly and the 4 hour. Okay, so right now price is right at my area of interest. Um, I have a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and I have a area of interest, which is this blue zone right here. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But right now on the weekly, we are overbought on the RSI. The MACD here is overbought, so it could come down. But if I see a shift of structure rejection off of this area of interest, then I might take a little buy and then see if we can catch that move on the weekly on OddCAD. So yeah, so pay attention to OddCAD. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Odd NZD. I feel like Odd NZD been in this same spot for the last weekend, like for the last 2 weeks. Like it hasn't moved out of this spot right here when it comes to the weekly. Um, I don't know. About the weekly here. I don't know. Maybe we might go and start going into a downtrend. If price breaks this level, this area of interest here, on odd NZD or something like this, then I might look to take a trade on that. Odd JPY, let's see where this is at. So I got my higher low here on a weekly. Yeah, I got my higher low there. If price breaks this level, then we're definitely bearish on the weekly. But right now, at the moment, we're still bullish on the on the um, on the weekly chart. So same thing with this. This could be, let's see, if we draw our Fibonacci retracement. Right now, price is at our 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And one thing you'll know about me, I like when it comes to when it comes to me using the Fibonacci retracement level tracement tool on TradingView, I like when price comes into the either the 61.8, the 78.6, or the 88.6. Those are my three favorite levels: the 61.8, the 78.6, and the 88.6. Those are my three favorite levels that I like to take entries on. Okay, but right now price is right at the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I also have a area of interest. It's kind of closing below the area of interest at the moment. So this might break this higher low and create a lower low. And then if that happens, then we're definitely bearish on the weekly. And then we'll be bearish on the weekly. We'll be bearish on the daily, and then we'll also be bearish on the 4 hour. Okay. But yeah, I keep an eye out on that because you never know. We on the weekly when price usually comes to the 88.6, price usually reject that level. So if we might see a hard rejection. So we might see something like this. You never know, but doesn't mean it's going to happen that way. But we wait until the shift of structure and the bullish. We'll wait for the shift of structure, and we'll wait for a bullish engulfing either on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. All this stuff that I'm saying, guys. You can learn this from Fxalexg, free videos here on YouTube. All right, here on YouTube, Fxalexg goes over his strategy. Okay, you just gotta put it all together. All his video. If you watch all his videos, you and take notes and keep watching it and watching it over and over, you will understand his strategy. Okay, so if you look in the description box below, I'm gonna leave some videos in the description box below that will take you over to Fxalexg videos. Some of the videos that I like that I've been watching that helped me understand his strategy. Okay, so yeah, we'll keep an eye out on that. Euro JPY. Let's see where we at. So Euro JPY, we're creating higher high, higher low, higher high. This might be that next potential higher low, so we can create another higher low here. So let's see where we at right now. What we could do is we could also draw a Fibonacci retracement level here. Maybe I'll draw it from here. All right. So boom, right now price is at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and price is at my area of interest. So we could see a rejection here. All right, but we're just not going to take the trade because price is at our area of interest and price is at our 78.6. We won't just take the trade. We want to wait for the 30-minute shift. We want to wait for the 30-minute shift. So right now we're creating lower lows. So we're creating lower low, lower high, right? Lower low. So once price breaks this previous lower high, something like that, then we'll wait for the pullback, and then maybe we can catch a trade to the upside off of this level. Okay, but we have to make sure that price is going to reject this level, this area of interest, and then also once once the shift of structure happened on the 30-minute, you definitely going to want to wait for the bullish engulfing on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so the 1 hour, we definitely got to wait for that bullish engulfing. So we'll keep an eye on that, eye out on that. But not only that, the RSI is definitely oversold, so that's a good thing. So if we can get a shift of structure at this area of interest here, and then we get a cross at the RSI at the oversold area, because right now price is oversold on the RSI. So once we get this cross to the upside, and we get a 30-minute shift, and we get a hour or 2 hour or 4 hour bullish engulfing, boom, we can take Euro JPY for a buy for the upside. Okay, but at the same time, let's look at the 4 hour, let's look at the daily and see what type of trend we're in. We're definitely in a downtrend, and ideally you want to wait, you want to have at least 2 time frames in sync when it comes to the direction of the market. But right now I'm seeing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then this can pull back and create another lower low, another lower high, and do something like that. And yeah, so you gotta be careful on that as well. But the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is definitely bearish. So yeah, but we're at our weekly potential higher low. You gotta understand that. Even though we're bearish on the daily and the 4 hour, but we gotta also know that we are at our weekly potential higher low, because prices are right at our area of interest. Okay, so keep an eye out on that. I might even bring that up as well to the top, that way I can pay attention to that. Okay, bring that up to the top. And then what I was talking about, OddCAD. I think I was talking about OddCAD too as well. I'm gonna also pay attention to that as well. Yeah. So yeah, so that, let me see, let me go back down here. USD Chef, not interested. Chef JPY. We're creating higher highs and higher lows, but now look like we're creating a lower low on the daily and lower highs and lower lows on the 4 hour. I'm not interested. JPY. I think we were just talking about this was right. I was just talking about this one too. So yeah, we could probably see how that reacts, because Euro JP, all the pairs like Euro JPY, JPY, could go in the same direction. So you can like choose either one, you know. And same thing for GBP, JPY. This could be at as higher potential higher low. Let me remove this here. Yeah, see what's going on here. So I have an area of interest right there as well. So as you can see, all the pairs, like majority of all the pairs, like Euro JPY, GBP JPY, JPY, looks the same. But we'll draw our Fibonacci retracement here. Yeah, so currently we're at the close to the 78.6, around that level. So we'll keep an eye out on that, and then let's take a look at this here. So when it comes to CAD JPY, we're definitely way below. We definitely way below discounted. So basically, we created a lower low here. Yeah, we created a lower low here. So I might have to change that to a lower low. So now definitely bearish on the weekly when it comes to CAD JPY. So all these pairs, Euro JPY, RJPY, most likely might go bearish as well on the weekly. So we might not get that pullback or that potential higher low. So yeah, we're definitely bearish on the weekly when it comes to CAD JPY. But you never know. Price still might reject this. Price might do something like this. And yeah, but we'll just pay attention. But yeah, I'm not going to make this video too long, guys. I hope you guys got some value. But with that being said, I'm Andre Ketna here from West Palm Beach, Florida. If you guys want to stay updated on my technical analysis, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that follow me on Instagram so you can check out my results and other people's results that are copying my trades. I post all those results on my Instagram stories. And then also, if you guys want to be able to copy my same exact trades automatically over to your account, hands-free, you don't got to know anything about Forex. You don't have to do no chart markups. You don't have to do no technical analysis. Meaning, every time I place a trade on my account, those same trades will be automatically copied over to your account, and I only charge a one-time fee of $500. So if you guys are interested in that, reach out to me on Instagram. But with that being said, I'm Andre Ketna here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.